Good morning, everybody. This is a hunt I've been looking forward to all season long. First time breaking out the kayak layout blind this year. First time fully brushing it in like 3 years. And we are on a pretty loaded up slough this morning. Me and Luke scouted this yesterday afternoon. Got here at like 2-3 o'clock. And there was birds just pouring in here. We were watching them feed really hard up against these edges. So we decided to stay here until the end of shooting time, see if it was a roost. There was a few birds that came in here late, but for the most part, this looked like kind of a loafing feeding slough. So the setup this morning is that all the guys are back that way on a point, probably 500, 600, 700, 800 yards away, and I'm gonna get the kayak tucked into some cattails in here. There was birds, the main congregation of birds was over there, but there was birds strung out all along this shoreline as well. So what I'm thinking is that if I'm over here doing some shooting, hopefully it'll keep the birds from racking up over here. And there's a nice little mix of birds in here, bunch of mallards, bunch of green wings, some divers in here, and specks, snows, and Canadas were coming in here to loaf. So yeah, I got to get my spot figured out here. I think right in here somewhere is going to be perfect, and hopefully get some birds right down in the decoys today. So excited to hunt out this layout line brush stuff like this. I think there's going to be some real close decoy in action. So stay tuned. Hopefully we get on them. Shoot. Gotta get the paddle out for him. Shoot. There we go. Not the prettiest first duck of the day, but he decoyed pretty well, probably at like 30. So I don't know if I need to move the decoys over to the other side, because I want them finishing off my left side so that I can open up my body. But pretty to watch him work. He was locked in on the spread, so whew. Glad I got him. I thought I was gonna lose him for a second. Big old greenhead, yes sir. Beautiful first bird of the day right there. Green wings are just bombing the spread right now, and the other boys are shooting. I gotta get set back up. Oh, I love kayak hunting. Just too much fun being out here, being able to set up in something like that and decoy birds. Golden eyes. Was not expecting to see any of them down here. Oh, you got me. Shoot. See if I can call back in. Pintails right here. Let's get set back up. I think I need to move them decoys. I'm trying to finish hard off that left side. think I'm gonna move the decoys just so that they finish 10 yards closer, but no complaints with that. Got another one coming. Oh yeah, red-legged mallard. Not the biggest one, still a chunky little greenhead. Bright red feet on him. Oh, move these decoys real quick, and I think we are in business. Oh Lord, thank you for this opportunity. Don't get no cooler than this. I think I'm gonna let him drift. I think he's gonna catch up on that island there. Hopefully he'll keep him from trying to finish there again. I want him just a little more centered up, but I ain't gonna complain about that. I'm gonna go grab that bird. I think I would have got those ones if he wasn't flown out there. Weirded out by something. Ooh. Not the fattiest ones in here. Maybe because these are water feeding ducks instead of field feeding ducks, but still just beautiful. Beautiful greenheads. 2 more of them, and then try and pick off a teal, wigeon, or pintail. Be awesome to kill one and just have them land in the kayak, not have to break the cover again. But for real though, no complaints. This is, oh, what is that? Diver? That's a greenhead. That should not have taken 3 shots. The only downside of having this blind real nice and brushed in is that I'm coming up with grass on my gun nearly every time. Now this looks like a fat one. I do believe this is a corn-fed greenhead. Yes, sir. That is a corn-fed greenhead right there. Ain't no doubt about that. I am not a mallard purist by any means, but boy is it fun watching them work like that. I got another one who probably could die right now. Oh, so many ducks. Back to the spread, back to the spread. Teal birds. Wouldn't have minded trying to wait for a pintail, but how can you pass up that? Ooh, little hen green wing. She'll get the pass today. Oh man, too cool. I'm just gonna watch the show here. Oh my gosh, holy smokes. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. This is gonna be a stud little green wing. Oh yeah. Not a pellet in the breast. Crawl is full of something. That'll be fun to open up after the hunt. Oh, such a pretty bird. Y'all probably can't really see it, but there's 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, hard to tell, but easily 1,000 live birds out there. So I think I'm gonna have to lean on them on the call from here on out. I don't think it was like that when I first showed up, and they're just coming in here heavy. So ah, shoot, pillowcased him. Trying to head shoot him, but that's a tough shot. But that was beautiful to watch. I think I'm gonna give it 5 more minutes here. Decoy, try and decoy a couple more birds, and maybe pick off a speck or a snow or Canada. Just having too much fun with this, and it's so rewarding to be able to pull ducks off of 1,000 live birds that are only 400, 500, 600 yards away using the DRC Harlot. Absolutely incredible little call. Use Hoke15 at checkout on drccalls.com for 15% off. No stick guarantee, easiest feed chatter on any call I've ever used. Can get so quiet, can bark at them with those high cadences. I mean, just an incredible little call. I think it spoke for itself today. Time to see the damage here. Big fat greenhead too. Probably not gonna be a plucker, unfortunately. Yeah, whole breast is gonna be shot up there. What a stud greenhead too. Just an absolute tank of a bird. Oh, awesome one for the last duck of the day. What a special hunt. So many birds out here. Swans, specks, snows. I mean, I saw everything. Oh, what a day. Just want to sit out here, take it in. And what a beautiful scenery for a hunt too. But should get out of here, let these birds rest. Well, Luke and I are doing a little pheasant hunt to round off the day, but wanted to wrap up the duck hunt right now, and actually having some luck out here on the pheasants. So I'll throw a couple bonus pheasant clips in at the end of this one, but not really too much to say about this one. I mean, it's like just one of the cool... Oh my gosh. Whoo. Yeah, just one of the coolest duck hunts I've ever got to go on. To have that level of a hide and that many birds around and be able to decoy birds like that was really, really special. I did actually feel up or get some food out of that teal's crawl, and he had corn in him, and Luke and them, they ended with a bunch of teal and said almost every single one of their teal had corn in them, which is just wild. I mean, we shot 2 green wings in a cornfield yesterday, but I just didn't think green wings field fed like that. So definitely something I'm gonna have to be looking out for. I definitely wouldn't mind trying to get on a little green wing field hunt up here. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, I'd really appreciate if you click that subscribe button. If you have any questions about the hunt, leave them in the comment section down below. Hope everybody out there is staying safe. God bless, and thanks for watching. Rooster! Yep, he's dead. Oh yeah. Rooster. I got him. Don't look that beat up. Huh? He doesn't look that beat up.
Oh, I've seen worse. I think there's going to be more up here too.
Yeah, me too.
I'm up on the edge here.
Yep.